Here is this trending app, BOTIM video and voice calls. This app, it's getting higher in the charts recently. It's not, of course, competing yet with Telegram or with Messenger. But yeah, it's getting there. It's like a secure messenger app where you can, just message each other. And there are some other functionality. You can just read it here in description. You can make encrypted calls across borders. There is BOTIM YP, secure private group video and voice chats, digital QYC, connecting group chat and calls, make phone payments and recharges. You can become a BOTIM VIP member, BOTIM Money. So yeah, originally this app kind of started just like a messenger app, like a secure messenger app, similar like Signal, Telegram. But now it also includes all these money sending features, and it's, as I see, it's kind of trying to become this like everything app, similar as you have like WeChat in China. Yeah, I think this app is actually built in Dubai or United Arab Emirates. So that's basically where they built this app. But yeah, now they are also adding all kinds of services to this app. And especially if you're traveling to Dubai, probably there will be a lot of people who are using this app. And you can find a lot of local Dubai services, including like making UA visa and stuff like that. So here is just, you see a quick preview. So here are like the chats. You can just add your account by just tapping top plus, and then you can just add any new contact, add your friend, just enter the phone number. And if you already synced your contacts, you will be able to see them already in your friend list available there. So just give access to your contacts and they will be automatically imported to your BOTIM app if other person is also using the BOTIM app. There is some kind of file assistant here, not sure what that is. Then there are some official accounts from BOTIM where you can just follow them and probably get some support. So there are chats, there are calls as well, which you can call people here. Then in Explore tab, there are all these kinds of additional services which you can explore. So, for example, like there is Visit Visa. Like you can get like a United Arab Emirates visa if you want to travel to Dubai from this app. I don't know how easy it is, or like do you need to still visit consulate, or they just want to create like a digital tourist visa. But it's like interesting they incorporated it in the app. You can maybe create your visa just in this app, and it's pretty cool idea if it works. But yeah, that's just like Dubai visa. Yeah, then there is membership if you wanna try it out. Then there are some privileges. There are no ads. There is HD video, and some other things you can just check out. There are some exclusive VIP exclusive features. Then there are settings, like you can just see all of that. So you just explore if you want to upgrade. Yep. Yeah, it just asked me for my age group. Then there is your account, your settings. You can see your profile photo, change your status. So all these like standard messenger settings. Like, yeah, you can just go and just see them here. You can just enable dark mode, choose profile picture, manage chat history, auto download. So it's pretty advanced messenger app as well. And I think it's encrypted. Then you can give access to your camera if you want to scan the QR code and add people quickly. Yeah, you can, again, like you can call people from this app as well. And then in Explore the app, there are all this kind of bunch of additional services. It's like similar to WeChat, like you just have coupons. Then you have even like local supermarkets. like everything basically in this app, some local deals, um, coupons, games, which you can also explore in this app. Like for me, it's a bit too much, but like, for people who used to WeChat, this is kind of normal. For me personally, sometimes I just like when it's like a messenger app, just want to get my messages there. I don't wanna, explore all the like 50 games. But yeah, it's just like depends. Like some users actually like just to have one app and not switch between 10 apps all the time. So yeah, and then you just have all these different categories. Yeah, you can just explore yourself this discovery section. So that's basically the idea. Then you have your contacts, calls. Yeah, so then you can just browse it around, explore some additional settings. And yeah, there is some kind of usage, how many SMS you send. There is also BOTIM desktop app, which you can try out. Probably you can easily install it similar as WhatsApp, so you just need to scan like your code. Yeah, so this is one of those apps, and then just yeah, if you want to delete your account and data, you can just easily do it from here. I don't know if you can actually change your number here. Seems it's not possible. So if you want to change your number, you will need to create a new account. But there you have it. Seems it's also available on Android and Google Play Store, and it's quickly growing as one of the top apps, especially in Dubai for messaging. Like in some countries, people like Telegram. Other countries, people like BOTIM. In China, WeChat. So like in every region, there is kind of like one of the main messenger app. In addition to like WhatsApp, usually popular, in US and Europe. But there are all these alternative apps which you can also try out for yourself. So yeah, it's just like quick preview. Hope you enjoy it and try out this app.